Did you know most drivers rely on just a single dash cam and miss out on full coverage of their vehicle? Welcome to Autovated. Today, we're breaking down the Vantrue N4S, a 3-channel dash cam designed to capture your front, interior, and rear views in stunning detail. I've analyzed expert reviews, verified buyer feedback, and compared it with competitors to give you the clearest picture possible. The Vantrue N4S offers 2.7K front recording and dual 440p interior and rear coverage with wide-angle lenses of 158 degrees, 165 degrees, and 160 degrees, ensuring you catch every angle. It's ideal for rideshare drivers, taxis, and families who want complete video evidence for safety and insurance claims. The front camera integrates Vantrue's PlatePix technology for sharper license plate recognition, while STARVIS 2 sensors, HDR, and IR night vision deliver clear images even in low light. The rear camera is upgraded to 2.5K resolution with IP67 waterproofing, so it handles harsh conditions effortlessly. Key features include the 3-channel recording system with flexible 1/2-3 camera modes, advanced night vision with PlatePix for license plates, and 24/7 buffered parking mode that captures hit and runs or break-ins with pre-recording and collision detection. The dual system GPS logs your vehicle's route and speed, while 5 GHz Wi-Fi lets you connect your phone for fast downloads and video management. Voice control adds a hands-free convenience layer, reducing driver distraction. Pros: complete 3-channel coverage, superb night vision, flexible installation with magnetic mounts, robust 2.5K rear camera, dual GPS logging, and voice control for safety. Cons: hardwiring is required for 24/7 parking mode, which can be tricky for some users, and PD fast charging is not supported. Compared with the Blackview DR750X-3CH, the N4S offers slightly higher front resolution and PlatePix for sharper license plates, but Blackview's app ecosystem can feel more refined. Compared to ThinkWare U1000, Vantrue's rear camera is waterproof and more durable, though ThinkWare supports advanced cloud features. If this breakdown is helping you navigate the dashcam market, hit that like button and subscribe. You won't want to miss the next gear guide. Build quality is solid with durable STARVIS 2 sensors and IP67 rated rear camera housing. Reviews suggest reliable performance over long-term use, and Vantrue's firmware updates ensure ongoing improvements. Customer support is reported as responsive, with an extendable 18-month warranty offering extra peace of mind. Who it's for: ideal for rideshare drivers, taxi services, and family vehicles who want comprehensive video coverage and security. Less ideal for casual drivers who may not need 3-channel recording or 24/7 parking mode. Verdict: strong option. If you value full coverage, clear night vision, and reliable performance, the Vantrue N4S is one of the stronger 3-channel dash cams available. For budget-conscious buyers, consider a single-channel alternative, but for maximum evidence and security, this is a top choice. Links to the product mentioned are in the comments box and description. If you have questions or already own the N4S, share your thoughts below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep your rides autovated and your footage unstoppable.